hell are you anyway? You good?
You've already asked me that, imbecile. I'm not having any discussion with you.
Please stand by for a broadcast from the National Emergency Warning System.
This is an emergency advice. Information of a possible nuclear strike against this country has been received. The current threat level is emergency advice, meaning an emergency is likely. There is significant risk of damage to life and property. Civilians should stay in their homes. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Ensure you have access to a battery-powered radio, for updates and instructions on 531 kHz on the AM band. Updates are also available via www.em.gov.au. If you have a mobile device, turn it on now, then activate Wi-Fi and cellular access. Emergency information will be transmitted to your device where possible. Please do not make phone, mobile or SMS calls as of now. Your network will be needed to broadcast emergency information. Updates will continue to be broadcast via television as they become available. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now. Seek shelter, now. Seek a place of safety, now.